ease and the beauty and how well it's been developed. It's all
Well, it's a combination of feeling of access to nature and feeling somewhat rural, but we have access to, a lot in a short drive.
Green space. We are 219 and all of our shopping amenities. We can be quickly down to McKnight Road and quickly up to Cranberry as well, which is really great. We also love having a lot of green space and walkable, bikeable chair space. It's amazing. I really like the bike trails because I love biking with all my friends.
What I love most about Pine is that it has been blossoming for the good of the community.
We would love to see more of the green space and farms that are phasing out be preserved as green space.
In the winter time, there's an bubble on that turf.
There's a lot of nice areas here. I feel like it's almost overly disconnected. And it'd be great, for instance, if you could come to a community center and you didn't have to drive your car. You could walk, you could ride your bike. And if you could do that in other neighborhoods and kind of bring everybody together a little bit more closely, I think that'd be an awesome vision for the future.
So I'd like to see more common spaces be created in Pine Township. There's a lot that are serving a lot of people's needs, but perhaps more, or have them be accessible via pathway so kids can ride their bikes or parents can ride their bikes or just walk there.
Keep it small feeling, to not grow too fast where it loses character or like that kind of close-knit feeling.
And to continue to develop in a way that makes it feel like there's a sense of community.
That if you have a problem in your community, then only you getting involved can help change the conversation, because they all have opinions about what works, what can work better, what they think should be changed.
For the member making these decisions to get a feel for what the average person is and not just the two
I mean, we live here, we pay the taxes, we want to have a say in what happens and the impacts on our families, our homes, our property values, our school district, our everything.
We moved here for a purpose, and it's really our responsibility to make sure that